Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial video I'll be showing you how to set up Etsy with Printify 2025. Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Let's get started. First off, open up your browser. I'm making use of the Brave browser on my computer, so go ahead and open up your browser. Once you've opened up your browser, simply log on to Etsy, that's etsy.com. Go ahead and click on the link to simply log into their platform. Now, once you're on Etsy.com, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply sign up for the platform. So go ahead and click on the sign in option here. So just click on sign in, and where it says trouble signing in, just scroll till you find the option to register. So click on register, and as you can see here, by clicking sign in, you continue to use their terms and services and privacy policy. So just go ahead and click on register, and you're asked to provide an email address, a first name, and a password. And it's the same details here. By clicking register or continue with Google, Facebook, you agree to their terms of service. So you could just go ahead with any of these options here that is suitable for you and register for the Etsy application. So I'm just going to be skipping this process and clicking on register. So once you've done that, alright guys, so once you've signed up for Etsy, where we have that on the main tab, where we have your profile icon, click on the drop down and go ahead and select sell on Etsy. So what we're going to be doing, I'm going to give you a brief breakdown is we're going to be signing up for the Etsy program. That's the selling opportunities on Etsy. And then we're going to be connecting our Etsy account to our Printify. So while you're setting this up, just go ahead and create an account on Printify. I'll show you how to do all of that. Go ahead and create an account on Printify, and then we're going to be linking it to Etsy. All right, so now let's get back on track. Just simply click on sell on Etsy. Go ahead and click on sell on Etsy. Once you've clicked on sell on Etsy, you're taken to the etsy.com/sell. And once you're here, all you need to do is just click on either open your Etsy shop or click on get started. So just click on this option here. So the next menu you're taken to is the onboarding screen, where you simply scroll through and click on let's do this. You can view the little instructions and make your shop uniquely yours. Tell us a bit about yourself. So this is what we're going to be going through while creating a shop on Etsy. So click on let's do this. All right, and you're asked what brings you to Etsy. So there are going to be a couple of questions which you can easily skip, or you could answer and continue with your sign up process for the uh, shop. So what brings you to Etsy? I'm here to sell for the first time. Okay, just click on next, and then the next question is going to come up, and you answer as sincerely as you want, or you could just simply click on skip this question to avoid the hassle of answering any questions and just go ahead and set up your Etsy shop. So is there anything you'd like help with deciding on what to sell, shop naming, um, packing and shipping? Okay. Okay. So once you've ticked off what you need help with, just go ahead and scroll to the bottom and click on next. So once you're done with the setup process, just click on start your shop. So click on start your shop. Alright guys, so welcome to the main menu on the onboarding program, and your shop language is English, your shop country where your shop is located. I'll just go ahead and select a random country. Let's go with Ghana. Okay. Okay, so most countries are not here, so let's just go with the United Kingdom or the United States for those watching from the US. And our currency is set to the US dollar. And now what you need to do after you set up the shop language, country, and currency, go ahead and click on save and continue. And where we have name your shop, just go ahead and give your shop a name between 4 to 20 characters, no special character spaces or accented letters. So I'll just go in and fill in something blank. All right, so once you've entered a name, great thinking, this name is available. Click on save and continue. Okay, so your next menu you're taken to is how you get paid. So Etsy payments give buyers the most secure payment options and gives you Etsy seller protection. Getting paid, where is your bank located? Your deposit will be in the US dollar. For tax purposes, what type of seller are you? Individual or sole proprietor, a registered business or legal entity. Tell us a bit about yourself. Okay, this is quite interesting. I'll see if I can skip this by clicking on save and continue. Okay, seems you can skip. So you're going to have to provide all of the following information, and then you're also going to need to share your billing info like your house address or your social security number. And then once you're done, you're moved over to shop security. So I'm just going to try and skip through this process and show you what comes up next. So once you've finished up how you get paid, simply click on save and continue, and you'd be moved to your billing info. So full name on account, make sure this account for payouts so you can connect via Plaid. Okay guys, so basically once you set up how you get paid, you're moved over to your billing info and your shop security. Then you're asked what kind of products you wish to sell, which you would have to give out to Etsy. Tell them what you want to sell, the variations, the price, that's how much you're selling for, how many products you have within your catalog, and any other info that's requested of you. Now, in order to connect or set up your Etsy with Printify, just head over to printify.com, and where it says login, go ahead and click on the login option here and proceed to enter your account. So I already have an account set up, so I'm just going to enter my email and password and click on sign in. So once you've done all of this, all right, guys. So once you're on Printify, printify.com, head over to the dashboard, and the first thing you'd find here on your new account is create your first product, and then step two is to connect your store. So go ahead and click on connect now, and you'd be shown a list of stores, that's virtual stores, online stores that you could easily connect with Etsy. So just go ahead and click on connect to Etsy. That's one of their partners. So go ahead and click on connect to Etsy, and an authenticator for Etsy is going to pop up, and just go ahead and log into your Etsy account to connect to Printify. All right, so you're shown a prompt, an application would like to connect. Just simply scroll through and click on grant access. So click on grant access. So as you can see here, if you grant access, it would subject Printify to connect your account, read your user profile, and other good and other stuff. And boom. All right, guys. So that's how you can actually set up your Etsy account with Printify. As you can see here, it says we're connected. Now let's make some sales. So you can go ahead and create your first product on Etsy. That's on your Etsy store, and link it with your Printify as I just did to simply visit your to simply sell your products. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions, and also leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you.